The data conversion process, if you're looking to employ ArcGIS Pipeline Referencing, that can be a good opportunity for you to do a deeper dive into your data. Because oftentimes, if you are moving from like a legacy system into ArcGIS Pipeline Referencing, your basic structure is going to be different. This will give you an opportunity to take a deeper dive into your data and kind of explore the processes you've used to collect that data and maintain it, and then trying to reconcile it to maybe a process that you've been trusted for years now had an edge case that doesn't work out quite the way you expected, and may have been covered up in your old legacy system. But now that you're employing ArcGIS Pipeline Referencing, that kind of comes up from the surface. So the advantage of combining them is that ArcGIS Utility Network and ArcGIS Pipeline Referencing fill very different roles. They don't really overlap a whole lot. By employing a unified model, you kind of leverage the best of both worlds, take advantage of your linear reference data, as well as your network systems and tracing. If you're going through the process, it really opens the door to a lot of possibilities, which can really improve your workflows, make quality of life better for your employees, and really every asset of your organization.
APR gives you a foundational approach to being able to organize your data, and adding utility network on top of it lets you model the full system, including test points, CP station, and lets you take care of the more analytical capabilities. Implementing utility network with APR lets you standardize field names, attribute locations, and lets you have all of your data in one place, standardizing and creating a unified data repository. It's important to continually assess the data you're collecting and how you're maintaining it, as well as reviewing new regulatory changes and staying in the news. I think it's important to engage with your industry peers as well, taking their lessons learned and improving your data system based on those. Having confidence in the quality and accuracy of your data allows for more efficient planning, infrastructure maintenance, and resource planning, and it can give you a more clear idea of where you might have potential gaps in your system.
Data quality is the foundation for a successful organization because it's critical to everything we do. Ensuring that data is comprehensive and accurate is paramount to achieving desired outcomes. Poor data quality costs more time and money to extract any value from it. Good data quality enables our clients to work with confidence. It helps improve asset management, grid reliability, regulatory reporting, and it enables faster and more reliable decision-making. This leads to safer operations and better customer experience. We create a quality plan with a comprehensive approach and in collaboration with the client, combining automation tools, GIS integration, data standardization, and QA/QC protocols. In this industry, data quality is not a back office function. It's operationally critical. It drives safety, reliability, compliance, and customer trust. Investing in data quality today helps future-proof your operations and stay competitive in the market.